Hello guys, it's Bill here, and recently I just found out ChatGPT can now transform your images and generate images like an advanced photo editor. So today I'm going to show you how to transform your images into anything you can imagine using ChatGPT. So just click on this plus icon and then click upload from computer to upload an image from your computer. I'm going to be using this image for our example and then click open. Okay, so you can see our image here. Now I'm going to give the command for ChatGPT to transform it into a cartoon. So I'm going to type transform this image into a cartoon. Now it's generating and this may take a few seconds or maybe minutes. So you just have to be patient and then wait for the image to be generated. Alright.
A few moments later.
Wow. Now our image is created. I mean, just look at this. Just look at the results it created from this image. This looks just like this lady and it's so clean and the image quality is so beautiful. This will take you hours to create using a tool like Adobe Illustrator, but in just a few minutes ChatGPT has transformed this image into a beautiful cartoon, and I mean, I don't know what to say. Now let's try transforming it into something else as well. Let me type in a prompt like transform the original image into an oil painting. And let's see the results we get from this one as well. Click enter.
A few moments later.
Wow. Just look at this. Anyone at all can create oil painting images. Just look at this. It's absolutely amazing. Now let's do a very last one before I conclude this video. So I'm going to put in the prompt transform the original image into a 3D character. And it transformed it into a 3D character. So this was our original image and I've transformed it into a cartoon, into an oil painting, and also into a 3D character, all in just a few minutes. So now with ChatGPT, you are basically just limited by your imagination. But if you are using the free version, you may be limited on the amount of things you can create. So if you want to create more with ChatGPT, you can consider upgrading to the Pro or the Plus plan. And also, as you are done like this, if you want to download the image onto your computer, you just have to put your mouse on it and you realize the download appears here. So once you click on it, you can download the image onto your computer. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also feel free to subscribe to my channel because I have more awesome videos in stock for you. Never stop creating and I'll see you in my next video.